With this car scratch fixer, easily help you save hundreds. This is a secret that 4S shops will never tell you. This repair fluid can not only repair scratches, it can also polish the paint. Whether it's a minor scratch or a big scratch on the paint, you can restore it to its original condition. It's easy to use. Apply wherever there are scratches. Apply the liquid to the scratches. Then sponge and sand. Scratches disappear instantly. No need to go to the 4S shop anymore. This is the scratch repair fluid. Use it when you get a scratch on your car. It's easy to use. You can fix your car at home. Your wife says you're a great saver. Add it to your shopping cart.